In this lesson, we will discuss automating support tickets. Automating support ticket management can significantly enhance the efficiency of IT and customer support teams by streamlining issue resolution and improve overall customer satisfaction. Support ticket management is a critical function for our customer support team. These teams are responsible for addressing various issues, incidents, and service requests that are submitted by users or customers. In many organizations, the volume of support tickets can be really overwhelming, which in turn can lead to delays in issue resolution, increased workloads for your staff, and decreased customer satisfaction scores. Automating support ticket management helps to address these challenges by introducing efficiency, consistency, and scalability into your support process. When we talk about automation, remember that we're referring to the process of using technology and machinery to perform tasks or processes with minimal human intervention. So when it comes to automating trouble tickets, the two key aspects that we attempt to automate are the ticket creation and the ticket escalation process for our support team. Now, let's cover the ticket creation process first. Automating ticket creation is the first step in streamlining support ticket management. This process involves the automatic generation of tickets when users or customers report issues or requests. Basically, the ticket creation process moves through 6 steps. First, the user or customer will submit their support request through various channels, such as an email, web form, or dedicated support portal. These requests can range from technical issues to service inquiries. Second, the ticket is automatically generated using an automation tool that is configured to monitor these incoming requests and automatically generate support tickets based on predefined criteria. For example, an email with specific keywords or a request submitted through a web form can trigger the creation of a support ticket. Third, the automation system will capture the essential information from the user submission, including the description of the issue, contact details, and any relevant metadata. This information is then associated with the newly created ticket. Fourth, the automation will categorize the tickets based on their content or source. For instance, a ticket related to a network issue can be categorized under network support, while a request for software installation falls under software support. Fifth, a priority will be assigned to the ticket based on the predefined rules and criteria you have set. For example, an urgent issue may be assigned a higher priority to ensure that it receives some immediate attention and faster response. Sixth, an automated notification can be sent to the relevant support team or technician. This notification includes all of the captured information so that the support team can begin to address the issue promptly. By automating ticket creation, organizations can ensure that all incoming support tickets are efficiently captured, categorized, and assigned for resolution. This reduces the risk of tickets being lost or overlooked and accelerates the response time to user needs. As a real-world example, here at Dion Training, we use a trouble ticket system to collect any questions submitted by our students. These tickets are automatically created anytime someone sends an email to support@diontraining.com. But in addition to creating tickets by email, we also have several automation and integrations that also create tickets in our systems for our student support team to answer. For example, if you post a question in the Q&A section of this course, we have an automation that runs every 4 hours to collect those Q&As, create a ticket for each one in our system, and then notify the proper student support agent to create an answer to your question. Then, our automation will take the answer from our troubleshooting ticket and send it back to the question and answer section of this section so you can review it. Another common support automation is one that involves ticket escalation. Ticket escalation is a critical aspect of support ticket management that ensures that complex or high priority issues are addressed promptly and by the appropriate personnel. Ticket escalation follows a basic 5-step process. First, organization will define its escalation criteria based on the nature of the issue, its urgency, and the service level agreement that it has in place. For instance, a critical system outage may require immediate escalation, but a question from a student as to what course they should roll in might be okay to wait a few hours before it gets a response. Second, we create the automation rules around the escalation. Here, our automation tools are configured with predefined rules that monitor ticket attributes such as priority level, response times, or unresolved status. When a ticket meets the escalation criteria, the automation is automatically triggered. Third, we take our escalation actions. Once the trigger has been reached, the automation system performs predefined actions which may include notifying a supervisor, reassignment, or a change in priority. If a supervisor is notified, then an automated notification will be sent to a team supervisor or manager to alert them to the escalated ticket. With reassignment, the ticket may be automatically reassigned from lower-level technician to a higher-level expert capable of resolving a more complex issue. Also, a change in priority will allow the ticket's priority level to be elevated to ensure it receives immediate attention. Fourth, we have monitoring and tracking. Here, our automation will continue to monitor the escalated ticket's progress to ensure that it's being addressed according to the organization's escalation protocols. Fifth, we have resolution and closure. Once the issue is resolved, automation system can trigger the ticket's closure and notify the user or customer of the resolution. Automating ticket escalation not only ensures that critical issues are handled properly, but maintain transparency and accountability throughout the support process. It also helps to minimize delays in addressing urgent matters and helps organizations meet their service level agreements. For example, here at Dion Training, we have automations in place that will route tickets to the proper instructor if our student support analyst cannot answer the question on their own. Additionally, we have automations in place to escalate the tickets after 24 or 48 hours if they have not already been answered, based on our internal service level agreement targets that we have set for various types of requests and tickets. So remember, automating support ticket management through ticket creation and escalation brings numerous advantages to organizations, such as increased efficiency, consistency, and customer satisfaction, while optimizing resource allocation and providing valuable insights or process refinement. By embracing automation and support ticket management, organizations can streamline their support operations, address issues more effectively, and ultimately deliver better service to their users or customers.